In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your thumbnail on your YouTube videos in YouTube Studio. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you have just uploaded a video on YouTube Studio or on your channel and you'd like to change the thumbnail, then it is pretty simple. First, we need to go to the video. So for that, I'm in my YouTube Studio and I'll go to content, and this will list all the videos that you have on your channel. I'd like to go ahead and change the thumbnail for this latest video. So I'll just click on it, and to change the thumbnail, you can see we have the thumbnail section here. To change this thumbnail to another one, just hover over it and you'll see these three dotted lines called options. So if you click on it, you can see now we have an option to change. So if you tap on change, now this will take you to your computer, and at this point you need to have your thumbnail ready. So maybe I want to change it to this thumbnail, so I'll click on it. If I click on it, now you can see I have replaced the thumbnail. So if you had uploaded initially the wrong thumbnail, now you can upload the correct one and then go ahead and click on save, and now the changes will be captured. So that's how you can change your thumbnail on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.